You asked us for our expert advice about spaces that you're thinking about renovating, and we asked you to send in some photos, and we've got some right here. We've got Landon from Buffalo who says, "We have a garden shed that's full of junk right now, which I'm worried will get moldy from the damp concrete floor. Is there a way I can prevent my things from getting water damaged and maybe get some extra living space out of it?" In short, yes, you can. Sheds of all sizes can be transformed into perfectly livable, warmer spaces. Installing a Drycore subfloor will stop that shed from feeling too cold and damp, and it will help turn it into a livable space. You're also going to need to think about the proper insulation for the walls and ceilings, and maybe you're going to go that extra mile and have an electrician run power so that you can create a home office or just a little getaway. Also, think about ventilation. I've seen people add windows or skylights, which help with the ventilation, but it also makes it much brighter. For those extra cold months, you can think about adding a space heater as well. I've also seen people transform sheds into a kid's playhouse, a craft area, a study area, music room. The list is endless. Another great option is to upgrade your shed into a storage locker. Again, Drycore subfloors provide a barrier against moisture and dampness, meaning all of your belongings will be kept dry.
Drycore. Don't build without it.